my name is Mike Britton, and I am the CIO and CISO for Abnormal Security. I've been at Abnormal for 4 years. Prior to that, I spent 25 years in Fortune 500 large enterprises. We've used GoLinks since I've been here, and I've been here 4 years. I would say probably number one is it gives me the ability to use GoLinks in documentation versus links that can change. So for example, if I want to update a version of something, instead of the full link of it changing, if I change versions or change documents, now I can easily always have certain documentations policies say, just always go to Go IT Help. And if my help desk changes from Jira to ServiceNow, it doesn't impact the user's ability to find it. They don't really have to know that I switched ITSM platforms. They just need to know always go to Go/IT Help. Same thing with other resources. It just makes it super easy to kind of ingrain users into, going to this shortcut, going to this link versus always having to remember the tool, the system, or the location of it. Honestly, I think it would change a lot of my engineering team's workflows. They have it pretty heavily embedded into a lot of things. I think people would just not be able to find things as easily. And so I do think it's pretty essential for us. It's something we've used long enough and used extensively enough that it's kind of ingrained into our processes now.